Hey guys, it's Mrs. Aguilar from Thurston High School, and I teach AP Psychology. If you're watching this video, you're probably wondering what AP Psych is all about. And let me tell you, it's a ton of fun. For starters, you're going to get a textbook from me, and your textbook is going to look just like the picture I have on the left-hand side of your screen. The textbooks are brand new, so I do ask that you have a book cover for them. In this textbook, there are 14 units that we'll cover to make sure you're ready for the AP Psych exam. In these units, you're going to learn about how the structure of the brain is set up. You're going to learn about how we see and perceive things. We're going to talk about how we're motivated to do stuff, different emotions that we have, sleeping, dreaming. We'll talk about how we learn, and we'll also talk about a lot of psychological disorders, the treatments for them. And then we'll end the year by talking about how humans interact in different situations and how we interact with each other. Each unit, although the material is different, the topics are all connected. And to kind of help us organize that information, I structure every unit the same way. You get a monthly calendar from me, and that monthly calendar will show you a suggested pacing of what I think you should be doing for homework each night. Your homework is found in your unit packet. Your unit packet is a collection of reading guides that go along with the textbook. Your unit packets are due the day of your unit test, so you can choose how you need to get that work done. If you know you have a really big test in another class the next week, you might want to work ahead. If you have a really busy week, the first week of a unit, you might decide to not do as much that week, but catch up the next week. In that unit packet, you also get a terms and concepts list. The AP Psychology test is very vocabulary heavy, and so as a result, I do keep you accountable to make sure that you're staying on top of your vocabulary. I either expect you to make flashcards or to keep a notebook of all of your terms and concepts for the course. Within each unit, you also have a project grade. This project could be an experiment that you carry out. It could be a movie review. It could be an article analysis that you have to do on some current psychological research. It all depends on what we're talking about, and it will be something relevant to the material we're covering in class. Also, for each unit, you'll have 1 to 2 reading quizzes. You'll know about these in advance. They're multiple choice, and it's just so I can make sure you're staying on top of your work for the course. Unit tests in AP Psych are 40 to 50 multiple choice questions, and then with 1 written response. Generally, you'll have either 40 multiple choice questions and an essay, or 50 multiple choice questions and no essay, and that really depends on what we've done for the unit as well as the topics that we're covering. If you have more questions about AP Psych, go back to the Weebly site, psychologywithaguilar.weebly.com, and you can check out sample calendars that we've been going through for the year, as well as you can ask me any questions that you have on the Contact Mrs. A tab. Look forward to seeing you in the fall.